In today's video, I'll show you how to add a category in Zoho Desk so you can keep your knowledge base clean, organized, and easy to navigate for both your team and your customers. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the knowledge base module, often shown as KB. This is where all your help articles and structure live. From here, click on Manage KB, which acts as the control center for organizing your knowledge base. Inside Manage KB, look for the option to create a category and click on it. This is where you begin setting up a clear structure for your content. First, enter a category name. Keep it short, clear, and descriptive so users instantly understand what kind of information it contains. Next, add a description. This helps provide extra context and makes it easier for users and agents to know what the category is meant for. A simple, well-written description goes a long way in improving usability. After that, select the departments you want this category to be associated with. This ensures the right teams have access to the content and that articles appear where they're most relevant. Once everything looks good, take a quick moment to review your details, then click Add. And that's it. Your new category is now live and ready to organize your knowledge base more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more Zoho Desk tutorials to keep your support system running smoothly.